Ndị Igbo mgboro ka ife ga-eme unu amara ihe. Yes, mgboro ka ife ga-eme unu amara. Watch here. This building on for say na akutu na trade fair Lagos State. Ka akutu si no na akutu na Lagos State. Ka emesiri ana akwazi ifa sibada no mistake ka emere we kutu this house. Okay na afọ fa abiazie kpozie ka fa bitokwa n'isi ruaru na akutu akutu. Na akpari road no na akutu akutu. Mgboro ka ife ga-eme unu abụ ndị Igbo unu amara ihe. Come home and invest. After Lagos State government about 19 building. Still yet I could no mistake game mere. Hi God. I see no mistake game mere we could this building. Now that you know when you were unakapo obi. Because they are rather building atara untara for raw government akutu. I will no mistake game mere. Which type of mistake? Lagos State government after the Murishi about 19 building. Still yet I will no mistake game une wote una abekwa na kumtwa n'isi elevate that building. Bole ki fe game una mari. It's better that we came home and this house, this our start it and invest. Yeah, those people na fana bo not tenants. They none of us Yoruba awura anya. After people bigger visit the Lagos State government. Lagos State Governor, Copters is now good that no mistake game mere. We go to this building. Still yet you na kapo be pokante ka bib to kwani silwa that building. Why not who need that money when spend like that Lagos Piana this and Igbo? We have about thousands of land that you people will invest on. After some days now, after some months, after this year now, I could buy also. School no mistake game mere. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu go say that na anyị bụ ndị Igbo, we should come home and invest. Yes, we should come home and invest. Ama me phone for that Lagos State. Ama me phone for that place. Lagos State government could do about 19 building in trade fair. Una kapo obi na agu no mistake. No mistake una kapo obi. But what ka bia ruare that building. Also watch this video is now. Anna Lovett the house Lagos State government could a few days ago. Yes, Anna Lovett that house. Anna Radokwe. I got no mistake. Came we could to this building. Still yet you nakapobi. Okay, there are also. So that's the name of the say that's now I can wear marry. Go I could good no mistake. You believe if I without no any argument. Una kaku be elevated that building. We should come on and invest. Help Lagos State. That Lagos State, I'm waiting for that place. I'm waiting for that place. Arora kutu. And I could build them out. One of them the baby. Even my trade fair and as well. Even the one as well. I could about 19 building kutu. After I could see ya, I will no mistake came to this building. Now I build this type of house, can't you? No one can. Una kakobi, bakwe barware also. Onya oreka agbara. Yes, therefore now they do not need our progress. Yes, after our progress start after I could see this building, I will no mistake came away to this building. Still yet, as soon as you believe without no argument. We should come home and invest. These people did all of us. Oh my God, this building for now and elevate now. Rosca and I got back to also. I quite have so no mistake. This is out of wickedness. We should come home and invest. Thanks for watching.